Hello everybody and welcome to my 10th HTML tutorial, and this tutorial is going to show you how to use tables. So it's a little bit of a history lesson. Tables used to be the way that you used to format all your web pages historically. So they'd be the way you put all your headings at the top, all your things down the side, etc, etc. It was quite a messy way, and now you use divs or spans and CSS, which is a separate language. But so what we use tables for now is literally just setting out tables of data as they were originally used for. So let's start off. So I've just got a blank start of a page with our head and our body tags, and in order to start doing a table, we just put in the table tags, and then each row of a table is what we call a table row, and we have to put in a tag for this. So you put in tr, and then this creates a row, and then each column, you'd think it would probably be called column, but it's not. It's called table data, and you put td in here, and then each one of these represents each column of the table. So let's put in our little headings. So let's put column 1, and then column 2, and then column 3, and let's just save these, and then let's refresh our page, and then you'll notice that we've now got a table with our columns on it. If we were to copy this and paste it down here, and then that's going to create another table row for us with 3 bits of data in it. So we press save, and if we refresh here, and then that's just going to create it. So we've got our top bits and our bottom bits, and so let's actually put some text in this. So let's say we want to make a list of pets. So pet name, owner, age, and then each one of our table rows can just be a different pet. So let's have Minnie, and then the owner can be Jeff, age can be 5. Let's have a Rover, owner can be Barbara, age can be 65. Rover's the turtle. Let's save this, and let's just refresh it, and then you've got a table now that shows pet name, owner, age, Minnie, Jeff, Barbara, 5, 65, Rover. You notice that it automatically adjusts the table in order to compensate for the biggest one in it. So if you want to add a border to your table, then it's quite simple. You just add an attribute to your table, which is border, and then in your attribute just put in, let's put in the number 1 to start off with. This is just how many pixels thick your border is going to be. So if we refresh this, and then that's just going to put it inside our table for us, so it actually just matches everything out. And that is how you would use the table. They're quite useful just for displaying small bits of data, but don't try and get lured into using them to format your web page. You want to be using the divs and the spans and CSS, which I'll come on to in later tutorials. If you're coming back into HTML, then you're probably used to using this method of tables, but I'd advise against it and stick with how the CSS is designed. It's a lot more powerful. So thanks for listening, and I hope to catch you in the next tutorial where I'm going to show you how to add images onto your web page.